Hey guys, it's Apple Sheep here, and today I'm testing out the audio quality of my other iPad mini case. You can see I have this other case for it, and yeah. So basically, I had this case before in my Griffin Survivor. So yeah. Except my hair in the back. But anyways, yeah, I'm just testing out the audio quality, see how good this is. Before I upload it to YouTube, I'll just watch it again. I'll watch it and I'll tell you. I'll put a spoiler in the description. Yeah. So this has been Apple Sheep signing off. Peace out, guys.